Good morning students. In this video we will discuss exercise 1.4 of class 11th of CBSE board. The question number first is find the union of. In this question we have to find union. So find the union of each of the following. Question number first 135 and x is 135, y is 123. So ये क्वेश्चन जो है वो आपको करना है. आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकेंड. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट इज सिमिलर एज क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. सो आंसर सेकेंड दैट ए इज AEIOU and B is ABC. So A union B. We have to find out union. So A union B. So A union B. Union means all. Union means set of all the elements which are either in set A or in set B. So first of all, to find out the union, write all the elements of first set. Write all the elements of first set. First set is AEIOU. Now write the remaining elements that are in B but not in A. So अगर मैं यहां देखूं A, so A ऑलरेडी A में है, A में ऑलरेडी है, so ये वापस नहीं लिखेंगे, रिपीट नहीं होगा. देन B, so B मैंने यहां नहीं लिखा है, so हम यहां लिखेंगे B. देन C भी मैंने यहां नहीं लिखा, so यहां लिखेंगे C. So this is the union of A and B. So again, in union, first of all, write the all the elements of first set. In union, write all the elements of first set, and after that, write the remaining elements which are in set B but not are in set A. So this is the union. Now, question number third. Third one is, देखिए, this is in you can say that roster form. This is in set builder form. This is in set builder form. A equals to x. X is a natural number. So here the property of the elements of the set is given. So this is set builder form. So x is a natural number. Okay, natural number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. And multiple of 3, and the number should be multiple of 3. So natural number that is multiple of 3 is, so we write A is, write those natural number which are multiple of 3. So write here 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 like this. So these are the multiple of 3. Now set B. So this is set B. B is x, where x is a natural number. Okay, less than 6. B is also a natural number. B is the set of natural numbers, but those numbers should be less than 6. Less than 6. So natural numbers which are less than 6 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Less than 6 are up to 5. Natural numbers which are less than 6 are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we have to write the union of these numbers. So A union B is, देखिए, सबसे पहले write 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 like this. Okay. Now write the elements of set B which are not in A. So take 1. So write here 1. Then 2 यहाँ नहीं हुआ. So write 2. Then 3 हम already लिख चुके हैं. Then 4. So write here 4. Then 5 भी यहाँ नहीं है. So write 5. Now arrange these elements in order. So we can write 1, then 2, then 1 2 के बाद 3. This 3 1. Then 4, then 5, then 6, then 9, 12, 15, 18 and like this. This is A union B. This representation is also correct, and this is also correct representation. Now come to next question, that is fourth one. Now fourth part is, this is answer 4. A equals to x and x is a natural number and x is, देखिए x is greater than 1. सो 1 यहां पे इंक्लूड नहीं होगा बिकॉज x जो है नेचुरल नंबर है और क्या प्रॉपर्टी है उस x की कि दैट इज ग्रेटर देन 1. सो 1 से बड़ा नेचुरल नंबर होगा, दैट इज 2, 3, 4 एंड अप टू x इज इक्वल और लेस देन 6. x इज इक्वल और लेस देन 6. सो इसमें 6 इंक्लूड होगा, देन 5 एंड 6. दिस इज ए means set of all natural numbers there those are greater than 1 and less than or equal to 6. Now b, what is b? b is x such that x is a natural number, x is a natural number and x is greater than to 6. x is greater than to 6. so 6 से बड़े नेचुरल नंबर है जो कि 7, 8 like this, and x is less than to 10. x is less than to 10. So we write here 9. So these three numbers are the natural number which are greater than 6 and less than 10. Those are 7, 8, 9. Now A union B. So A union B is, first of all write the first set A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now write the elements of B which are not in A. So 7 हमने यहां नहीं लिखा है, so 7 आएगा. देन 8 भी नहीं है इसमें, so 8 भी लिखेंगे. देन 9, so ये हमारा 9. So this is the union of A union B. This is answer number 2nd. This is answer number 3rd. This is answer number 4. Now come to answer number 5. So answer 5 is A is 1, 2, 3 and B is 5. So देखिए A union B equals to 1, 2, 3. First of all write all the elements of set A, then write the elements of B. So B is empty set. B is empty set means B does not contains any elements. B is empty set. So हमारे पास इसका आंसर होगा ये ही 1, 2 and 3. Suppose if this question is like this, suppose if A equals to 1, 2, 3 and B equals to 5 like this. So now B is not the empty set. Now B is not the empty set. It contains single element that is 5. So इस कंडीशन में हमारा होगा A union B equals to 1, 2, 3. पहले एक एलिमेंट लिखे, then write the elements of B जो कि A में नहीं है. So 5 यहाँ पे नहीं है. Then we write 5. So if question is like this, A equals to 1, 2, 3, B equals to 5 in the set B, and this B contains one element that is 5, but this B is empty set. There are difference between this B and this B. So अगर हमारा क्वेश्चन इस तरीके से है, उस कंडीशन में हमारा यूनियन होगा ये वाला, और अगर हमारा क्वेश्चन इस फॉर्म में है, सो हमारा यूनियन होगा ये वाला. So this is the question number 1st. All 5 parts we did of question number 1st.